At Courtney Warren Home, we're passionate about helping people love their home. I know a lot of people are living in spaces they don't love because they feel like design can be complicated. They try to do it themselves, but then they don't know where to start and they feel overwhelmed. Fortunately, at Courtney Warren Home, we found a better way. At Courtney Warren Home, we work alongside homeowners to help them create spaces that they love and feel comfortable inviting people over. These methods have been proven time and again to result in tons of happy clients.
Oh my goodness!
You like it? Awesome.
A little!
I'm so glad. Awesome.
Oh my gosh!
In fact, Courtney Warren Home is getting attention on a local and national level.
Here this morning is Courtney Warren. She's the owner of Courtney Warren Home.
People ask me all the time, can I do this on a budget? You know, how do I decorate my home, but I don't want to break the bank? Garage sales and flea markets are my best kept secret. It's simple to start the signature design process. First, we talk on the phone, then we meet in your home, and finally, you love your space.
Isn't it great?
Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh my gosh.
You like it?
Yeah. I love it.
The first part is studying your signature style. So we're designing a home that's perfectly tailored for you. This quick conversation can be done over the phone or email. Then we gather for a meeting in your home and create a simple action plan. At the end of the hour, all your questions are answered and we are so excited to move forward. After that, my hand-selected team brings the plan to life. The final result is a home you love. At last, a home that delights you. So let's schedule that conversation today and help you love your home. You don't have to be overwhelmed anymore. Courtney Warren Home is here to make design fun.